ArduPilot Custom Firmware Builder. So this is a nice feature from ArduPilot which lets you to build a custom firmware for your flight controller. So all you have to do is go to customardupilot.org and add a build, select your vehicle, in my case the plane, select the latest version of ArduPilot and select your flight controller. I will choose the SpeeDB 405 wing. For this one, I needed to enable the SM Bus Smart Battery Monitor, which was not enabled by default. So I check this one and go to Generate Build, and you will have to wait. You'll have to wait until it's built. So let's grab a cup of coffee and wait until this build is finished. So running the build, it's copying some headers. It's usually take about 1.5 minutes or so. It's not a big deal. And at the end, it will automatically download the binaries. And with the binaries, you just flash them on the flight controller. You can use Mission Planner for that. It will allow you to flash the binaries to the flight controller. So as you can see, the build is done. It was finished successfully, and happy flying. Flash it and have some fun.